Hello friends. Today I will tell you about natural treatments and home remedies for excitotoxicity. It is known that the excitotoxicity is a pathological process by which the nerve cells are damaged or killed by the excessive stimulation by neurotransmitters, such as glutamate and other similar substances. This is occurring when receptors for the excitatory neurotransmitter glutamate, such as NMDA receptors and AMPA receptors, are overactivated by the glutamatergic storm. It is known that the glutamate is a major excitatory neurotransmitter which mediates fast synaptic transmission, and it plays an important role in the brain and spinal cord. The excess glutamate is highly toxic to the neurons. It is known that the glutamate acts through glutamate receptors. There are two major classes of glutamate receptors, which are known as ionotropic glutamate receptors and metabotropic glutamate receptors. These receptors have different functions. The excitotoxicity can happen from substances produced within the body which are known as endogenous excitotoxins. There are some studies in which are estimated that each of us have over 4 pounds of glutamate. It is known that the glutamate and GABA are integrally related in both form and function. They have a complex and homeostatic relationship which brings balance to the level of brain activity. The glutamate system dysfunction is linked to many different psychological disorders and neurodegenerative diseases. There are many different foods which naturally contain glutamate, but they do not usually contribute to excess glutamate. It is noticed that the healthy lifestyle habits and right supplements can optimize glutamate levels, and they can restore the balance between glutamate and GABA. You should talk with your doctor if you suffer from excitotoxicity before you start using some of the below mentioned home remedies, so in this way you can avoid side effects. Here are some home remedies for excitotoxicity. Number 1. Exercise. There are some studies in which are said that the physical exercise can help to optimize the balance between GABA and glutamate, so this is a reason why you should talk with your doctor about the best type of exercise which you can do for your excitotoxicity. Number 2. Vitamin B6 for excitotoxicity. The vitamin B6 is also known as pyridoxine. This is an essential cofactor which is required to synthesize GABA from glutamate. It is known that the inadequate vitamin B6 intake can diminish GABA synthesis, but also it can lead to a buildup of glutamate. You should talk with your doctor if you should add vitamin B6 as your home remedy. Number 3. Ginger for excitotoxicity. You can add more ginger in your diet, or you can take a ginger supplement. It is known that the ginger can protect the brain from the message-induced excitotoxicity. Ginger is widely used in the Asian cuisines, and this is a reason why it can be used as a home remedy. Number 4. Valerian for excitotoxicity. This is a herbal remedy which interacts with glutamate receptors to deliver relief from anxiety. You can add as your home remedy for excitotoxicity, so talk with your doctor before you start using it. Number 5. Avoid soy products. There are some studies in which are shown that all soy products have high amounts of glutamate. You should know that soy is incorporated in many different products, so you should be sure what the food has its component before you buy it and use it in your diet. Number 6. Taurine for excitotoxicity. This natural cure acts amazingly like GABA in the brain. It has a similar structure to GABA and it binds to GABA receptors. This natural cure is protecting the brain against toxic levels of glutamate. Some foods which are rich in taurine are nori. This is seaweed used to wrap sushi, poultry, especially dark meat, and seafood, especially shellfish. Number 7. Avoid meat. It is known that meats are naturally rich in glutamate and aspartate. You should avoid the consumption of it. It is noticed that turkey and rabbit have highest amounts of glutamate, while eggs and lamb are having the lowest amounts of glutamate. Also, Chicken is low in glutamate. It is thought that if meat is taken in normal amounts, it will not cause some problems for people who suffer from excitotoxicity, but you should be careful and it is best to avoid it. Number 8. Frankincense. There are some studies in which are said that the frankincense can be protective against glutamate, unregulated calcium and cytokine damage, and also, it can help with the neuroinflammation. You should talk with your doctor which is the best dosage that you can add as your home remedy for excitotoxicity and if it is suitable for your condition. Please note, these remedies may not be suitable for everyone, so, you should select one that suits you, and if required, kindly consult your doctor. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.